Hello students, in today's class we are going to spend the discussions about text group which is present in insert tab. Which options are present to the text group? Let's see. Text box, header footer, word art, date and time, slide number, symbol and object. So let's start with text box. As like you can see already I have set a shape, the outline of a shape like oval there on the slide. Now I want to add some text inside this shape. But normally it is not possible. This is only the outline. The cursor is not there. Then only text box is useful to add text inside the shape. Suppose I want to add the word presentation. What to do? I am clicking to the text box icon. Now a symbol has changed. Dragging it. By dragging the pointer, I am getting the cursor there. Now I am typing the word. See, the word has come. Now if you wish, you can make the changes also. Formatting ribbon or the bar has come. Change the color. Change size. Bold. Middle. Now this is my text inside the shape. Understood how to use the text box? Next is header footer. Header footer, date, time, slide numbers all are related. In the header footer only we will get. So what is header footer? It is very common. Let's check your computer book. See, in computer book something is very common in every pages, like page number, the name of the book, the chapter name, page number. These are common in every pages. So, slide is taken as a page also here. So, the same thing as like the book. If the things is repeating in every page and marked as a watermarker and coming in every page or every slide, and if it is present the upward direction, just the upper portion of the slide, that is called header. Generally we give date, author's name, etc., or sometimes the name of the story or poem, these things, so which is coming repeatedly in every pages to the header portion, and the footer portion like date, page number, and so many things are also. And so understood about what is header and footer. These are also available in MS Word. So these things are available in the header footer option. So let's check what it is. Click on the header footer, so you will get such kind of dialog box. See, here is date and time. This box is there. As because the date is correct, that's why I am not changing the date. But this radio button is on, that means update automatically. Suppose if it is tomorrow, the date will be changed to 5. Day after tomorrow 6, this way. Then these are such kind of way, these things, calendar type, Western. You can change it also. Language will come in English. Slide number will come as like page number. So I am just checking it. So this is first slide. It will come to the downwards direction as 1. Second slide will be 2. In the footer portion, suppose I am typing a text like CREATED, created by John. Suppose the slide has been created by John. So this way, and if you click apply, these things will be applied to this slide only. If I am clicking to apply to all the slide will take this header and footer. Let's see. This has come as a watermark. That means now you cannot make any changes. If you want to change, you have to go to this header footer option and you can make changes from there only. See, the date has come, the name has come, and it will come repetitively in every pages. Page number has come, and header portion is because blank, so nothing has come in this portion. Next is, leave this symbol. Next is object. What is object? This helps us to work with some another software or application, and that things will be available here. So in object, if you click on that, see, the name of other kinds of applications or software has come here, like bitmap image. Bitmap image means in MS Paint directly we can work, Adobe Photoshop, Adobe Document, and so many, Corel Draw. Those are drawing related software. Suppose bitmap image. If I click and OK button, see, directly I have got MS Paint screen there. Okay, MS Paint. Now suppose I am drawing something. Star. Color it. Solid color. Fill color. Okay. Now, if I click cross, see, by clicking cross or closing it, the screen has come. The screen has copied and has come to my slide. Understood? In this way, we can draw or we can edit something to any other software, image making software, and can transfer it directly to my slide. So this much is for today's class. These are very interesting things. Make your own things, apply your imaginations and create your own things. Then I will give you a project. By using this, I hope you can make so many interesting things. Next class, we discuss about the media clips. So many has dumped from this illustration groups. So many options you have now to practice. So keep practicing these things.